For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us, just check the description. Bullish Chilliz, CHZ, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.680321 and $1.48 by 2030. Market examiners accept CHZ could reach $0.680321 by 2025. Bearish Chilliz market cost expectation for 2022 is $0.120946. Chilliz, CHZ, Introduction. Chilliz gives blockchain-based answers for the games and media outlets. The organization has fostered an exclusive token, the CHZ token, which is utilized to drive its fan commitment stage, socios.com. Chilliz has organizations with the absolute greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Saint-Germain, AS Roma, and Manchester City. The organization is settled in Malta. Alexander Dreyfus is the pioneer and CEO of Chilliz. He has more than 20 years of involvement establishing and developing electronic organizations. Preceding sending off Chilliz, he established WebCity, an intuitive travel guide, and Winamax and Chilipoker, both internet-based poker projects. Dreyfus is a sequential business person who saw the capability of utilizing blockchain innovation to upset the customary games industry. Since its end-off, socios.com has quickly turned into the world's driving fan commitment stage, fueled by blockchain innovation. The stage permits fans to decide on club choices through a versatile application or web interface utilizing CHZ tokens. Fans can likewise buy select product and encounters from their number one clubs through socios.com's e-commerce store. What is Chilliz, CHZ? The Chilliz stage was made fully intent on furnishing fans with a better approach to draw in with their number one games groups. The stage utilizes blockchain innovation to permit fans to decide in group choices and furthermore offers prizes for partaking in the administration of their picked group. The Socios stage is at present utilized by a portion of the world's greatest games clubs, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Saint-Germain, AS Roma, and Galatasaray. Blockchain innovation offers various advantages for the two avid supporters and clubs. For fans, it gives a better approach to partake in the administration of their number one group. It additionally offers straightforwardness and security with regards to deciding in group choices. For clubs, blockchain furnishes a method for interfacing with their fan base and make new income streams. Chilliz, CHZ, Fundamental Analysis. Chilliz is a digital money zeroed in on fan commitment in the games and media outlet. The organization behind Chilliz is socios.com, a stage that permits sports and diversion associations to tokenize their fan bases. This empowers them to send off fan token offerings, FTOs, which are crowdfunding occasions that offer fans the chance to purchase tokens that address their number one group or association. The socios.com stage utilizes the blockchain innovation of the Chilliz coin, CHZ, to make secure, straightforward, and permanent exchanges. The utilization of blockchain additionally considers quick and proficient installments between parties. Exchanges on the socios.com stage are fueled by the CHZ token. The worth of the Chilliz coin, CHZ, is gotten from its utility for the purpose of the exchange on the socios.com stage. As additional associations send off fan token offerings on the socios.com stage, the interest for CHZ will increment, driving up its cost. Likewise, as additional individuals utilize the socios.com application to purchase and exchange fan tokens, the liquidity of CHZ will increment, making it simpler to change over into cash. Associations. The Chilliz Group has organizations with the absolute greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Atletico de Madrid, Paris Saint-Germain, Juventus, AS Roma, AG Esports, Galatasaray SK, and some more. Chilliz, CHZ, Price Prediction 2022. Chilliz, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year, CHZ. The CHZ cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0.226774. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.211656 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. CHZ is supposed to have a base worth of $0.181419. Chilliz, CHZ, Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, Chilliz CHZ cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of CHZ will before long outperform $0.377956. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the CHZ's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, CHZ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.302365 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.332602. Chilliz, CHZ, Price Prediction 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0.529139 and CHZ might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. CHZ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.483784 and a low of $0.453548 in 2024. Chilliz, CHZ, Price Prediction 2025. Assuming Chilliz effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money lovers, the CHZ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, CHZ will be green in 2025. The CHZ is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $0.680321 with a base cost of $0.604730 and a typical cost of $0.634967. Chilliz, CHZ, Price Prediction 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the CHZ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.786149 by 2026, with a base cost of $0.755913 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, CHZ has a most extreme value worth of $0.831504. Chilliz, CHZ, Price Prediction 20.